Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to connect and interact with Firebase, a real-time database with Rust. Now if you don't know, Firebase is a NoSQL database. It's a Google product which is cloud hosted, allows you to store and sync data between your users at real time. It's super fast and provides you a good quality of operations that you can perform on your data. It's a very interesting database, so let's learn about it. Let's get started. First of all, move to your favorite browser and let's get a tour of this Firebase console. So once you are in your favorite browser, just go to console.firebase.google.com and sign in to your account and just press create project. Now here we have to provide a project name, so I'll just provide as dump and then we'll press continue, and then here you are presented with certain options that you must enable for analytics and for crash analytics and different other purpose, but since I'll be just using for this tutorial, so I'll just disable it, create project, and let's wait for our project to be created. Okay, once the project is ready, we'll just press continue and you will be presented with this beautiful dashboard of Firebase where you can explore lots of options. But for today, we'll just go to build, and here we'll select the fourth option, which is real-time database. So once the UI is presented, we'll just press create database. Now here we have to select the location where we want our database to be stored. So you can select any location from this list: United States, Belgium, or Singapore. So I'll just select Singapore and then press next. Now in the security, you can either do it in the lock mode where you have to provide read and write access. In the test mode, everything is public. So I'll just press test mode, and once we do that, our database should be ready. So this is how simple it is to configure a real-time database in Firebase. And this URL will be needing for basically connecting via our Rust application. So just copy it on your clipboard and let's get back to our IDE. So once you are back in your IDE, let's go to cargo toml file. We'll need a few dependencies. So first of all, we'll add Firebase RS as our SDK for today, and then Tokyo for async programming with version as latest and features as full. Then we'll add Surday. In the start of the tutorial, I already told you guys it's a NoSQL database, so we'll be doing lots of serialization and deserialization. So let's build it, and meanwhile it's building, you can just quickly go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get going. So back to our main, and let's add our model. Now you can add any model that you want to, but I'll add a product model, which is struct product, and here we will add the name of the product, the description of the product, and the price of the product. Sorry, price should be F32, and then the quantity of the product as U32, and on top of it we'll add a few attributes: serialize, deserialize, and debug to print. So we have our product, and then the second thing that we'll add is struct response that we get, and name string, and here we'll add drive, serialize, deserialize, debug. So let's go ahead and write a few CRUD operations that we'll be performing on our Firebase database. So first of all, the operation that we'll be performing is creating the users. So let's go ahead and add it. Sorry, creating the product. And we'll pass product, and we expect a response that we have. Let Firebase client 8 products, and then we'll say let products or product response Firebase dot set, and we'll pass product, and here we'll pass product dot await, and then we have to add a helper which is just to parse. So we'll say string to response s and str, and it returns us response JSON from str s dot unwrap, and right on the top we'll just do a string to response, and we'll pass our product result dot unwrap dot data. Similarly, let's go ahead and add get all products. So we'll quickly add get all products or get products. Again, let's pass the Firebase client, so we'll just copy from here, and this will return us a hash map of string product. And what we do is similarly Firebase client 8, and we'll just do let products Firebase dot get hash map string. Actually, we need the string, not the string. Let's remove it. Product, and so we have our result of product, and just to unwrap on it, so we get our result, and we'll just do products to return the result. Now we need 3 more operations, so I'll just quickly add those operations and show you guys. Okay, so after create products, we added get products, which is get all products. Then I added get products by ID, and then we added update products, and then we added delete product. So basically it's just same bunch of operations that we do on update, delete, and so on. Now let's go ahead and try to connect to our Firebase and basically perform these CRUD operations. So we'll just do let Firebase new, and then you have to pass the URI which we copied from the console. So we'll just paste that URI and do unwrap. And once we have our Firebase, now let's do some operations. So first of all, we'll do a create operation. So we'll just say let result create product, and for that we have to pass our Firebase and our product. So let's create a product and name as, I don't know, some Nike shoes. So we'll just say Nike 101. Description as sport shoe, and then we'll add price as, I don't know, $200, and then we'll add the final thing, which is quantity, as let's say 20. So we have our product, and we'll pass the immutable product, and then we'll just wait. So since we are using await and we added Tokyo, now let's go ahead and create our man as async. Tokyo man. So this is our create product. Similarly, after we create our product, now let's go ahead and try to get the products as well on the same. So we'll say products, and here we'll just call get products, and Firebase await. So we'll get our hash map of products, and then we'll just print products returned. Let's add some more new lines, and products, and then here we will just try to print our new product inserted with key, and let's try to print the result here. So we have our new products returned, and let's go ahead and mutate it as well. So we'll just create it mutable, and we'll just change the product dot, let's say, description. This is dummy product, and once we do that, let's wrap it in string from. And now the last thing that we'll do is basically update result. So what we need to do here is update product, pass Firebase client, and similarly we'll pass the response that we get here. This has the key, so we'll just say result dot name as the key, and the last thing that we'll pass is the updated product, and await, and let's do a get product afterwards as well after update. Okay, so basically what we are doing here is creating a product, getting all products, and then updating the product. So I'll just show you guys these operations, and delete and get by ID you guys can just perform. So let's go ahead and test these. So just open your terminal and quickly do cargo run quite. Okay, so as you can see, product inserted, we get the name, which is the key, and then we get all the products, which is Nike 101, sports shoe 220, and then we update it, and as you can see, the name is same, but the description is changed because we just update the description, and the price and quantity are also same. So this is how you can perform these operations. And just quickly go back to your browser, and let's visualize the data there as well. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have our product, the keys here, and then if we basically expand it, you can see the description, the changed one, name, price, and quantity. So this is how simple it is to interact with Firebase and also create and store data. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understand the concept and enjoyed this learning with me. If you do, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.